Hello, I'm Jennifer Bolosa, and today I will explain the conceptual map that I have created with the following topic. Okay, the topic use of information and communication technologies in the teaching of English. Okay, in the education of 21st century, innovative pedagogical technologies are being implemented that allow improving educational quality using technological support tools. Okay, the first literature review. ICTs are based on tools and methods that serve to transform data to obtain new quality information. Today's technologies have a wide range of digital technologies that facilitate the creation, transformation, and distribution of information and the provision of services such as um, computer equipment, computer programs, cell phones, email, etc. There are some of the most recognized pedagogical technologies such as dogmatic, reproductive, explanatory and illustrative, coercion, free choice, programmed educational, problematic, search, research, development, self-development, group, collective, informative, dialogical, communicative, interactive, game, creative, and finally art technologies. ETC. Um, the second investigation methodology. ICT as an implementation in the learning of foreign language is an effective pedagogical tool to study because it allows the development of communication skills, self-education to the students, um, accelerate, accelerates the learning process, increases the growth of interest in the student and improve the quality of learning. Um, the ICT tools most used in the educational process include manual and electronic textbooks, electronic encyclopedias and reference books, simulators and test programs, internet educational resources, DVD and CD discs with images and illustrations, video and audio equipment, multimedia presentations, articles and research projects. Okay, two types of ICT tools are used for this hard, hardware and software. Okay, three, analyze and result. The use of ICT develop motivation in English classes, provides flexibility in the management of educational activities, helps to choose the best training option, and participates in monitoring students' activities. Um, with the analysis of results, it was found that through the use of ICT in education, it is possible to build reading skills and abilities directly using networks materials of um, varying degrees of complexity, improve perceptual skills of foreign language, auditory speech, speech based on authentic audio network texts, improve monologue skills and dialogic statements based on problems discussions, improve breathing skills individually in breathing, um, composing responses to partners, participating in the preparation of summaries, essays, says other topic other types of correspondence in the process of joint activities of partners. And finally, improve lexical and grammatical skills through training with the help of programs, games, tests. Okay, thank you. That's all. Thank you so much.